Hello everyone, start off by dividing the hair into two parts diagonally as such. Now taking the right side, make a braid out of the hair. Now take the left side and make another braid out of this side of the hair as well. Loosen the sides as you progress with it and then add a rubber band to the bottom. Roll this upwards and then add a bobby pin at the top of this. Add a decorative pin at the top and then loosen the sides of it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now make two ponytails at the back of the hair. Add a rubber band to the middle of each of these. Roll the hair in on itself through this middle section and then pull it up through the top section that you have created as such. Pull it up through the respective sides and then, if there is any excess hair remaining, pin it up using bobby pins. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, tie it up more towards the right side and then roll the hair in on itself. Now put the section of the hair on the left through the top right side and then join the hair together, make a braid out of it. Taking this braid, pin it up to the top left side and loosen the sides. Next, take two sections of the hair from one side of the scalp, that is the left side, and then begin to twist it one on top of the other. As you progress with it, include more and more sections of the hair into this twist as such. Now once you reach the right side, begin to braid the hair normally. Add a rubber band to it at the bottom and then loosen the sides using your hands. Pin it up in place. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then tighten it. Take the section of the hair from the left side and then pull it through the top right side. Take the section of the hair from the right side and pull it through the top left side. Now, once more, take the section from the left side, pull it through the top right, and do the same with the left side. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then roll the hair in on itself. Now loosen the sides using your fingers. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, loosen it using your fingers. Repeat this step until you reach the base as such. Afterwards, once you reach the bottom, make a normal braid out of the hair. Loosen the sides using your fingers and then roll this up, add a decorative pin at the top of it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail, make two braids out of this low ponytail and pull it through the top. Fasten the excess in place, loosen the sides. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into two parts and then twist it. Roll it one on top of the other as such and now pull it through the top section. Insert it into place and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail, add another rubber band in the middle, add it to the end as well, loosen it, and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Add a decorative clip to the middle of it as such. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now roll the section of the hair in on itself. And do this for another section right underneath it as well. Now pull the whole bottom section through the top as such. Now loosen the sides using your fingers. At the bottom, make a normal braid out of the hair. Add a rubber band to the end of it. After this, roll it upwards and then pin it up in place. Next, divide the hair into multiple sections and then join the alternate sides of it to each other. Make two braids as such. Now insert a hair stick through the hair at the bottom, wrap the braids around this and then insert it in place underneath. Loosen the sides. Now, divide the hair into three parts and then begin to braid the hair more towards the right side as such. Once you are done with this, loosen the sides. Now, pull the top portion of the braid through the bottom as such. Add some bobby pins in place in order to fasten it and then this is what it should look like. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair and now roll one section over the other as such. After you have done this, add a rubber band to the bottom and now roll it up into a bun. Use some bobby pins to make it stay in place. Thank you for watching.